Good morning, students, and welcome back to the class. Today we will discuss about the blood groups. Okay, as you all know that there are different types of blood groups in us. Okay, so let us study or learn more about these blood groups. Okay, so you see blood of human beings they differ in certain aspects. So though the blood looks similar, okay, but there is a differences with respect to certain aspect, okay, and based on these differences various types of grouping of blood is done, okay, and such there are mainly two types of groupings, okay, and they are ABO grouping and another one RH grouping, and these two groupings are widely accepted all over the world. So blood is grouped, okay, and there are two types of blood groupings. One is ABO grouping and another one is RH grouping. Now let us understand more about these blood groupings. First one, ABO grouping. So ABO grouping is based on the presence or absence of two surface antigens, okay. So ABO grouping is based on the presence or absence of two surface antigens, okay. And what are these antigens? These antigens are the chemicals which that can induce the immune response in our body. So ABO grouping is based on the presence or absence of two surface antigens in our body, and on the red blood cells, namely A and B, you see. So ABO grouping is based on presence or absence of two surface antigens, that is antigen A and antigen B, and these antigens are chemicals which induce the immune response in our body, okay. So and plasma contains two natural antibodies. So ABO grouping is based on two things or two factors. One is presence or absence of surface antigens on the red blood cells, that is antigen A and antigen B, and second one is the antibodies present in the plasma, and these antibodies are the proteins, these are the proteins produced in response to the antigens, okay. You see here, this is the table. Here in this table we can study about this ABO grouping of bloods. So first column is blood group, second is antigen on AB on this RBC red blood cells, and antibodies in the plasma, and donors group. Fine. So first one, blood group. A blood group, it contains antigen on RBC is A. A antigen is present on the red blood cell surface, and it will be having antibody B in the plasma. And the donors group, that means the A group blood group and O blood group can donate blood to the individual person having blood group A, and blood group B it contains antigen B on the RBC surface and antibody A in the plasma, and donors are B and O. Next is AB blood group, and the antigen present are A and B, and antibodies present in the plasma are nil here in case of AB blood group, and the donors group are AB, A, B and O. The next one is blood group O, and antigen on RBC is nil, and antibodies present on the plasma are anti-A and antibody A and antibody B, and the donors group is O. That means O blood group person can donate blood to the individual having O blood group. So from the above table it is clear that O blood can be donated to all the other persons, and that is why it is called as universal donor. And this persons with AB blood group, they can accept blood from all the other groups, and that is why they are called as a universal recipient. Okay, so AB blood group is called as they are universal recipient because they receive blood from all the other group, whereas the O blood group, they can donate blood to all the other individuals, all the other persons. So that is why O blood group is known as a universal donors. Okay, with this we conclude here and continue tomorrow. Thank you.